Hi guys, welcome back to Patio versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about a YouTube video scraper and search interface using Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so I can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. Let's get started with the code. So starting with we are importing from BS for import beautiful soup. So this is used for parsing the HTML and XML documents. And again, we have from Selenium import WebDriver. This is used for like allowing you to automate the interaction with the web browser. And we have import UR library dot request, which is used for opening and reading the URLs. And then we are also importing tkinter, which is a standard Python interface for a GUI toolkit. Moving on, we have the main class under which certain functions, which is init and search videos. And if you go down, we have clear text box as a function, and then we have the execution part. So let's go each function by function, starting with init function. So we have def init self window title. This is a constructor for the app class. It initializes an instance of the class with the parameters window. And we have self dot window is equal to window. This stores the window parameter in an instance variable. And later we have self dot window title. This sets the title of the window using the window title parameter. And we have self dot window config bg is equal to hash 00ff00. This configures the background color of the window to a green color, that is the like RGB color. And then we have self dot text box is equal to tk dot text self window width is 60, height is 5, and again a background color is given. So this creates a text box widget with a white background, 60 characters in width and 5 lines in height, and the color will be white. And we have self dot text box grid, row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0, column span is equal to 2, pad x and pad I is given as 10 and 10. This places the text box on the grid layout. It spans two columns and has a padding around it. And we have self dot search button is equal to tk dot button self window text is equal to search and width is equal to 15. Command is equal to self dot search videos. Again, a background color of white is given. This creates a button label search, which when clicked will execute the search video method. And we have self dot search button dot grid, which is row is equal to 1, column 0, and pad x and pad y are given as 5 and 5. This places the search button in the grid layout. And later we have self dot clear button, tk dot button self window text is equal to clear width 15, and command self dot clear text box bg is equal to a white color. This creates a button labeled clear, which when clicked will execute the clear text box method. And later we are having self dot clear button grid row 1, column 1, pad x and pad y is 5 and 5. This places the clear button in the grid layout next to the search button. Moving on, we have the next one under the class, so which is search videos. So again, def search videos defines a method to handle the searching of videos, and we have query is equal to self dot text box dot get 1.0 end minus 1c. This retrieves the text from the text box from the start, which is the one number, to just before the last character, which is end minus 1c, to use the search query. And then we have driver is equal to webdriver.chrome. This initializes a Chrome web driver, and driver get I've given a YouTube link plus query. This directs the Chrome web driver to open a YouTube search results page for the entered query. And we have HTML is equal to driver dot page source. This retrieves the source HTML of the current page in the browser. And we have soup is equal to beautiful soup HTML parser. This parser the retrieved HTML using the beautiful soup. And we have videos is equal to soup dot find all, which is a class YT the link. This searches for all tags with the class which is mentioned above, which is typically corresponding video to the links on the YouTube. And then with open video results dot text comma w as f. This opens or creates a file name video results dot text in the written module. And we have for video in videos, it iterates over each video link found, and we have video URL is equal to HTTPS and the YouTube link plus video href. This constructs the full URL of the video by appending the href attribute of the a tag to base the YouTube URL. And later, if you come down, we have video title is equal to video title, retrieves the title from the video from the title attribute tag. And then we have self.text box dot insert tk dot end video title plus video URL. This inserts the video title and the URL into the box, and we have f dot write video title plus video URL. This writes the video title and the URL to the video results dot text file, and we have function clear text box. So firstly we have def clear text box self. This defines a method to clear the text in the text box, and we have self dot text box dot delete 1 comma tk dot end. This deletes all the text from the text box from the start 1.0 to the end. And moving on, we have the execution loop, starting with if name is equal to main. This checks if the script is run as a main program, and we have root is equal to tk.tk. This creates the main window for a application. And then we have app is equal to app root comma video content web scraper. This initiates the app class passing the main window and a title string as argument. And we have root dot main loop. This enters the main event loop, which waits for the event and updates for the interferes accordingly. So let's quickly see the output of the program. So as usual, I'm going to go where the folder is stored, copy the name of the .py folder, and open the command prompt in the same window, and python space file name .py. And you can see the interface. And if you give a YouTube URL, it is going to search and go to a YouTube page with the same title. And if you want to scrape it, just use the clear button. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.